All right, so you got your bottles all corked, and now you're looking at getting some of these wrappers on top of there. Well, it's actually a whole heck of a lot easier once I figured out how to do it, so I'll pass it on to you guys and make your life simple. Start by just grabbing a small pot, and it needs to be at least, well, I would say deeper than this, whatever your cap size is, and fill that full of water and bring it to a boil. All right, once your water is boiling, bring the heat down to medium heat, pull the lid off, and grab all your wine bottles, get them closely accessible. If you haven't already put caps on all of them, do so, because this will not take you very long. Hold the cap with one finger and just slowly submerge. Once the top of the cap is kind of hitting the water, you'll notice it kind of acts a little bit like a boat. So just go ahead and push it down. Shouldn't take you more than 2-3 seconds. And it's not going to affect your wine, so don't worry about that. As you can see, a mere seconds later, and she is already cool to the touch. I mean, I'm pretty sure you could touch it right out of the water. Mine was like 3 seconds later. So that's not even going to be warm to the touch. I'm sure it's going to be just fine on your wine. Hopefully that helped you guys get a good, solid, nice looking cap.